What's up everybody, it's Mark Deuce, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something super exciting that's going to change the game for all you aspiring screenwriters out there. We're talking about AI, people, and how it can become your secret weapon to writing a killer screenplay. Let's dive in. Alright, first things first, we gotta talk about the basics, the foundation of any good screenplay, the structure. We're talking about the classic three-act structure. Your setup, your confrontation, and your resolution. Act 1 is where you introduce your characters and your world, building up that anticipation. Then, bam! Act 2 hits you with the conflict, the twists and turns, the ups and downs that keep the audience on the edge of their seats. Finally, Act 3 is where you bring it all home, resolving the conflict, tying up loose ends, and leaving your audience satisfied. Now you might be thinking, Mark, this is all great. But where does AI fit into all of this? And that's the best part. AI can be a total game changer when it comes to nailing down your screenplay structure. So you've got the basic structure down, but now it's time to inject some serious creativity into your story. And let me tell you, AI is a goldmine for generating awesome ideas. There are some incredible AI tools out there that can help you brainstorm, outline, and even generate entire scenes. You can feed the AI your basic premise, your characters, anything you've got, and watch it work its magic. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's up to you to use it effectively. So experiment, have fun, and let your imagination run wild. Chapter 3. Crafting Unforgettable Characters with AI. Now, let's talk about characters. A great story lives and dies by its characters, right? They're the heart and soul of your screenplay. AI can help you create characters that are so real, so relatable, they practically jump off the page. Think about it. AI can analyze massive amounts of data about human behavior, motivations, relationships. You can use AI to explore different character backgrounds, motivations, even dialogue styles. Imagine typing in, create a quirky but brilliant detective, and bam! The AI spits out a character with a unique voice, a tragic backstory, and a love for vintage detective novels. Chapter 4. Dialogue that pops AI as your script doctor. Okay, now it's time to talk dialogue. This is where a lot of screenplays either soar or, faceplant into a pile of cliches. AI can analyze countless scripts, books, and even real-life conversations to understand the nuances of language, tone, and pacing. Imagine you're stuck on a scene where your two main characters are having an argument. You can feed their personalities, their history, and the context of the scene into an AI, and boom! It can suggest lines that are not only realistic, but crackle with tension and emotion. But remember, AI is a tool, not a crutch. Use it to spark your own creativity, to polish your dialogue, and to make sure every word counts. Chapter 5. Polishing your masterpiece. AI for editing and refining. Alright, you've poured your heart and soul into your screenplay. You've got a killer story, unforgettable characters, and dialogue that sings. AI can be your secret weapon in the editing room too. There are some seriously impressive AI-powered tools that can help you spot plot holes, inconsistencies, pacing issues, you name it. Think of it like having a super-powered script editor who can read through your entire screenplay in seconds and highlight areas that need work. Remember, even the best screenwriters need a good editor. So embrace the power of AI, use it to refine your work, and get that script ready for its close-up. And there you have it, folks. We've gone over some seriously game-changing ways AI can help you write an incredible screenplay. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with all your screenwriter friends. I can't wait to see what you create. Now go out there, write your hearts out, and remember, the next Hollywood blockbuster could be just a script away.